But let me unsnap and kind of do a little tie because that's how this needs to rock. And it goes perfectly with the jean. Girl, you better stop it on that. Yes. Yes, on my Stitch Fix. So I just pulled it out the box. You know, I get 5 pieces. And this is my monthly subscription. Oh my goodness, I got something in the mail. Yay, right? Make me feel good. And this is the bag. Whatever I don't want, I send back. And yeah, so let me see what's rocking in here. We're about to get in the spring, so I don't know how much of this I'm gonna keep, although I'm feeling this. I hope I like it. All right, I ripped the 2 packages open, right? I always, whatever I send back, if I send anything back, I'll wrap it back up in the packaging before I put it into the plastic bag. I don't know why I do that, but I guess I feel like I'm giving it back the same way they gave it to me. I don't know. But this is the first thing, and I'm already a hard no. I don't, oh, man. They're cute, but actually, it's not a hard no. I kind of like them. I kind of like them a little bit. Look at that. This is what's getting me. The whole slit at the bottom, right? Size 8, almost like a cargo type, I feel like, right? That faded wash. I don't know. I kind of like them. I want to try them on real quick. I don't know. I like them. They're kind of cute. And they're just the right length. You guys know I'm short. So, yeah. Here's the slit over here. I don't know. I kind of like them. I would never use these pockets. But, right? They're not like tight. I don't know. I said hard no, but I can't. Look at her. I kind of like it's a maybe. All right, so through the packaging, you know, the brown paper, I was vetoing everything because it looked like sweaters and heavy and, you know, all the things that's kind of about to die out now, right? So I don't want any of those things. But Miss Girl, this is cute. It feels so nice. I thought it was a lounge set, but I feel like it's a let's run out real quick and fast. Isn't that nice? This looks big. Pockets is right. Pockets. Girl, this is an XL. Me and Kara getting in here. I knew the butt looked big. Oh my goodness. It's so cute though, right? So Sid's my XL girl. So I don't know. I think I might see if she likes it, if you know how it fits her. Oh yeah, this is cute. Look. And she's me with the hoodies. She loves that boom, stick the hands in the pockets type of situation, right? That's really cute. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna see how she rock with it. All right, so this one is a sweater, which is super cute. It's all me, right? This is 100% me. Darn it. I was trying not to keep stuff. Oh my goodness, I do like it. And it has the slit on the side, right? Let me show you. Oh, this is cute. I really like it. Look at that material. Yeah, I'm feeling that. This right here with the stripes. That's all me. The slit on the side, but guess what? Little bit too big. Little bit too big for me. I would have to rock a medium in this. Right? It even hangs low. Yeah. But no. I still got the jeans on. I don't know. This might be a go back. This is a hard no. It's a turtleneck. And the color is pretty. I actually like it. But the turtleneck and the fact that it's short. Oh no, it's not too, oh no, it's not. It covers the fupa. Okay. But yeah, I'm done with this. So this is definitely going back. So this was the one I pulled on the pocket and was like, oh, I hope this is nice. I like it. First of all, it is so soft. It's so soft. Is this a button, a snap? Yes! I love the snap. It's like the pop. I love it. Oh yeah, this is a definite keep. I'm keeping this. Look, that's all the way me. Let me throw it on. This shirt is so soft. I love it. It feels so nice on me. And it comes like all the way down here, which, girl, that is too long. I need to bring it up a little bit. And the whole thing snaps. So I'm boop, 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 right? Quick and fast off. But let me unsnap and kind of do a little tie because that's how this needs to rock. And it goes perfectly with the jeans. Girl, you better stop it on that. Yes. You know what I'm saying? Little cutie cute. You see how I turn that around? I still got this. I want to rip it, but I'm still thinking I can't rip yet. Oh, yeah. What you thinking? I think I should keep it. Oh, my goodness. All right. I don't love the jeans. I like them. I think they're cute. I'm loving this. Do you know what I mean? So this is a definite yes. I am going to have Sydney try this on and see how she rocks. And if she loves it, I will keep this set for her. Right? I feel like this is a good travel. Throw that on, get on the plane, right? Yeah, it's so nice. Very, very comfortable. So, and then I already folded these back up because I know this was a hard no. And this one right here, just, it's too big. You know what I mean? So, and we're getting out of this kind of material. Like, this is what I need. This is fire. So these are definitely going back. Pants are going back. So 3 are going back. 2 I'm going to keep. And my subscription is $25 a month. So whatever I keep, it will be deducted from, the 25 will be deducted from that. And then, yeah, off to next month. So, you know, when traveling season starts coming up and things, I will usually ask for some things. So I think that's what I'm going to do for the next order for March, like more vacation-y things, and see how I rock with that. But yes, on Stitch Fix. And this is not sponsored in no way, shape, or form. I just want to share it with you. So there is a link in the description box for Stitch Fix if you're interested. It's fine. I you know, if I don't like it, it all goes back, and they ask me if I want another fix. And I'm like, yeah, send me another one, you know, and that's just, it's fun. It's fun to get stuff in the mail, you know, it's just fun. Like all my other ones, the perfume one, you know, it's just fun. So, all right, you guys, I'm gonna go. Wait a minute. I feel like I left something out. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go. I'll see you soon. Bye.